G'day everyone. Today, Jazzy Jazzu is getting Carplay. Check it out.
Alright, before we get started, I just want to point out that the original head unit does have a diagnostics mode that provides a few cool functions. There you see one of them is recording how fast you're going. Just be aware of that. Alright, first step, drop down the glove box. Push in on the tabs. That is the screw underneath the head unit case that you want to remove. And you gain access to it by removing this plastic panel over here. There are 3 tabs you want to push out. It's a bit hard to get to the one with the power outlet there. Those are the tabs that you want to get on, and that's essentially what you want to do. Now switch your blower to inside car mode so that you can see the screw from over there. That's why you want to do that. Now, you want to push from the back of the head unit takes a bit of force, but eventually it'll just pop out. Like so. You won't be able to take the head unit too far until you take out the hazard light wiring first. It's just a tab to press in there. So you've got that, you want to take out the main harness and the antenna harness as well. So that's the little tab you want to press on to free that, and just a normal tab there. So these are the parts that I used. First up, you want to remove the vents from the old head unit. So remove the hazard button there. Next, you want to pop out all those clips. Best way is to pry on both sides at the same time and they'll just pop out. Your steps might vary a little bit if you're not buying the same kit that I bought. Install the vent to the new head unit piece. Reinstall the hazard button. Put back the clips. Tighten down these screws to put in the tabs most of the way, then slide the tab in and then tighten down to finish. Probably should have put the hazard button in last. And voila! Head unit does stick out a little bit on this model. If that bothers you, you should probably go for a different head unit. Plug in the microphone, plug in your main harness and your antenna. The blue wire is not needed. Don't forget to plug in your hazard light switch. And before you press down on the head unit, just test it out, make sure everything's working. Head unit probably looks more at home in the Integra, even without that bezel. You might want to go the one up if you're looking more for a cleaner install.
If you liked the video or you found it helpful, like and subscribe. Catch you in the next one. Peace out.